Alright, so welcome to Syllabus Day for Math 0153XC2, Skills for Introductory Stats. First thing I want you to do is go over here to Content, and when we get to Content, you go down here to Get Started Here, and you'll see the syllabus. All right, oh, by the way, my name is Sherman Brown. You can see all that under the Instructor Information, but the syllabus is what we're talking about today, and I'm not going to obviously read it all, but it's mainly just, what can you expect in this course, and just some other things pertaining to logging on to your math lab. So with that said, go down here, we've got the instructor information. You can see about me, see what it look like there. Your required material, we'll talk about that here in a moment when we talk about the My Math Lab widget. Your grading and attendance policy. These are your grades, obviously. Anything greater than a 90 is an A, from 80 to 90 is a B, from 70 to 80 is a C, and then below a 70 is an F. We don't do D's in here, right? Because you need to pass this course with at least a C to show competency to move on to the next course. Grades been complete. All right, so real quickly we'll talk about grades. So you guys are adults. I'm gonna treat you like adults. Deadlines are deadlines. If you miss a deadline, then that sucks. But don't ask me for an extension because I do not grant extensions. I think deadlines are very important, not just for college, but for your career field. Attendance or participation. This is an online class, so I don't really take attendance or participation, but I will look at your Pearson to make sure that you are your My Math Lab to make sure you're staying up to date. Now, it's not for me. There's not an attendance grade, but financial aid wants to make sure that you're attending course, so to make sure that you are doing what you're supposed to be doing with the government money. Exams, obviously, you can't cheat. It says you can't leave the room. Yeah, whatever. I don't really care one way or the other. Now, the way the tests will be done, I think originally it was going to do it to where students need to come to campus, but I think I might do it differently than that. So I'll keep you uh, um, apprised of that. I just gotta work things out with the math chair and make sure we have enough seats and stuff here. So I'll keep you updated on that as we near the tests. Copyright, and then of course the legal stuff, the college policy statements, all this legal stuff here. And that's really about it for the syllabus. Again, it's nothing that's earth-shattering, right? You expect to take a skills for probability and statistics course, and it tells you what you're going to expect there. All right, now we're going to talk about how to access the online homework. Now, I have this class again here at 12:30. I'll be going to the library for that class. I mainly just walk around and make sure everybody's, see if anybody has any questions or anything like that. But while I upload this now, I'm going to hope that this works. So to access your math lab, go down here to accessing my lab. Right, we're going to. All this, even the important thing here and registration here, I'm kind of giving you an abridged version. Okay, so the big deal here is clicking on this Brightwave link to access code. So you click on that, it takes you to another page. And you're going to be able to pick your course. Okay, so you pick your course and click your material there, and you're going to have your code here. Okay, so this is the access code needed to take the class, right? This is so Pearson gets their money. Now you've already paid for this with your tuition, so you shouldn't have to pay for anything. Well, again, you already paid for it. So click copy code to clipboard, and it's copied. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to go down here, go to your home page here. This is the home page where your announcements are and stuff. And right here is a little widget. Now my widget looks different here, so I'm not going to click on it. But you're going to click on that, and you're going to be prompted to create an account. All right, and you're going to create an account, put your name in there, all that good stuff. And whenever you are prompted for an access code, this is your access code. Okay. Now there is a course code and an access code. The course code is to get into my course. You don't need to put that in there because you're going to Pearson through this widget here, right? It's already attached to my course. Your access code is different. That's the one saying, hey, I've already paid, and I get to look at the e-text now, right? So that's how that's done. I'm really hoping that is how it's done, and well, if it's not, I'll know about it in about 2 hours. Last thing, the announcements here. Keep an eye on the announcements. You get a little notification up here telling you whenever you get announcements from any of your courses. But stay up to date on these announcements. That's how I contact you and make sure that the class runs smoothly. Other than that, I'm pretty sure that covers everything. And if you have any questions, just email me. Bye bye.